Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, thanks for tuning in. Today we're reviewing the VOLTRX Premium Electric Protein Shaker Bottle. If you're tired of the old manual shaking methods, this electric shaker might be exactly what you need. Let's jump right in and see what makes it stand out. The VOLTRX Vortex Boost Electric Shaker is made from infant-grade Tritan, which is BPA-free, ensuring it's completely safe for everyday use. This 24OZ 600 ml bottle is perfect for mixing protein shakes, smoothies, or any other fitness drink. It's durable, lightweight, and built to last through all your workouts. What really makes the VOLTRX shaker special is its Vortex mixing technology. Powered by a 2000 RPM motor, it ensures your drinks are mixed smoothly without any lumps. No more shaking by hand or dealing with powdery clumps. Just press a button and let the shaker do all the work for you. Cleaning is a breeze with the VOLTRX shaker. It's IPX5 water resistant, which means you can easily wash the outer part. Just add warm water and soap, turn it on, and you'll have a perfectly clean shaker in no time. Fast, easy, and convenient. Another highlight is the battery life. After just a 2-hour charge, you'll get up to 1 month of use, based on 3 workouts a week. That means you won't need to charge it constantly, and it'll be ready to go whenever you need it. So is the VOLTRX Premium Electric Protein Shaker Bottle worth it? If you want a fast, efficient, and easy-to-use shaker that delivers smooth, lump-free shakes every time, this is definitely a great choice. It's sleek, functional, and made for fitness enthusiasts like you. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a video. Got any questions? Drop them in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. Catch you in the next video and stay strong.